Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brianna Lauren here, and today's video is basically gonna be like my quarantine lifestyle, like what I'm gonna be doing and stuff like that. Some days I work out, some days I don't, but today I'm gonna show you guys my little workout routine. I usually do like my legs, like I work on my legs and my butt because yeah. Oh, and it's really late. It's like 5. What time is it? It's 5:29. Yeah, my day becomes very late these days. This morning I was just chilling in my bed all morning, and that's basically it. But this is gonna be eventful. Just keep watching. Say hi.
Hi guys.
I don't really have a stomach like that, but my dad keeps telling me that it's gonna catch up to me. Not gonna lie, kind of believe him, so I do my sit-ups, my little squat.
Hi.
Can I get a kiss? Kiss? Do we look alike, guys? Say cheese! Liam, say cheese!
Hi.
Hi. Alright, you guys, so I'm about to go take a shower. So, let me just show you guys what I use in the shower. I use Dove Sensitive Skin because I have sensitive skin. And this is what I use on my face. Easy, simple. That's all I use in the shower. I use any type of Dove soap, but for my face, that's what I use. Like, I have this certain face wash, but I only use it if I have like a pimple over here or something. I just use it that one time. Like, I use it until it goes away, but that's what I use all the time. Alright, you guys, so I'm out the shower. I'm just gonna show you guys what I use to lotion myself. I use this. It's like oil gel. This is what I use on my face. Y'all, I know I look like a little boy, but I don't know what to tell y'all. Like, y'all, if y'all could see my hair, you guys would be like, what the fuck?
Oh, no, 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 no.
My brother's mom made some lasagna, so I'm gonna wait for that, but there's still a little bit of ground beef, so I'm about to put some ground beef in some bread and call it a day until I could eat some lasagna. But alright, so the kitchen is like OD right now, so honestly I'm about to just do what I gotta do. When I'm done, I'll show you it. I'm done. making the food. I know this is ghetto, but I'm hungry. It's Brianna. Alright guys, I'm done eating. You guys could tell I do not sleep. Like, these bags under my eyes, like, you can see them. Can you guys believe this is my cousin, and guess what her name is? Brianna Lauren. Her middle name is Lauren, and my middle name is Brianna. Jesus Christ, you're so heavy. Oh, look what he's doing. Let me watch a little bit of YouTube. Isis Ariane. She is my favorite YouTuber. I love Isis because, like, first of all, she's just so positive. Like, she just makes me want to be positive and just, like, I don't know, like, she's just really good. And, you know, that's the type of person I'm trying to be. A positive person, you know, person that you guys will watch and be like, damn, I really love her videos. She's so positive, you know. She seems like a good person. And, like, Isis gives me the inspiration to be that way. So I really love her for that. But she's my favorite. You guys, I am so tired. Like, my camera died and I was just like, oh, it's really good. Somebody just tried to push me. Anyways, I'm really tired, but I have to clean my room. Alright guys, so I'm done cleaning my room. Yeah, I just have to change my sheets. And I'm eating some ice cream. I kind of OD'd with the ice cream, but listen, it tastes good. Like, this is mango Haagen-Dazs. I think this is like the second time I had this. It tastes so good. I don't even like mangoes like that, but this is good. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. This is my first time actually doing this video, and believe it or not, I was not gonna make this video because I thought maybe, you know, nobody's gonna like this type of video and stuff like that, but I gave it a try. Please let me know if you want to see any other videos like this, you know, with my day. You know, it's quarantine, so obviously my day's gonna be boring. I'm not really doing much, but that's really what I do. Like, I work out, ate a lot. I had the lasagna. I didn't show you guys, but I had the lasagna. What else? Pamper myself, you know, take my shower, you know, clean, you know, go on social media. You guys know, because I'm pretty sure everybody's doing the same thing. But yeah, please let me know if you want to see any other videos like this, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your bell notification on so every single time I do post, you will get notified. Bye, my lovelies.